In Romans chapter 14 recently, the Apostle Paul has been talking about how the Christians have liberty. They can do lots of different things. There's not as many rules as they might think there are, or as many rules as other people wanted to put on them. But at the end of chapter 14, he starts to talk about if you have liberty, you must also have love. In other words, if you're going to have some freedom, you're going to have to think about other people other than yourself. That's what the end of Romans 14 says, and that's going to form the topic of our Bible study on Sunday. So go ahead and read Romans 14, and again, listen for the thought pattern, not necessarily the situations, but what he's trying to get them to think like, because that'll be the important part for us. This is normally the part where I tell you what the sermon is called, but this week, I'm not telling you what it's called. In fact, I want to start with a question that if I give you the title of the sermon, you'll know the answer to the question. So I'm not going to give you the title of the sermon until after I ask you the question. It's going to be a really good sermon, though. You're just going to have to come and hear it. That's all you get to know. And then on Sunday night, we're going to continue our lesson for leaders thing, and we're going to talk about how Moses became Moses. We're going to look at one incident from Moses' life that changed everything for him. And here's a hint. Leaders are not born, they're grown. That's what Moses is going to teach us. So, come on Sunday. We got lots of good things to share, lots of good things to do. We'll see you there.